May I come in, sir?
Please come in.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
So your name is Annapurna Singh.
Sir,
Annapurna, where are you coming from?
sir, I'm coming from Patna, Bihar.
So Annapurna, you are from a place where you have a very good water availability. You also have very good soil fertility. Do you have hunger deaths in Bihar by any chance?
Sir, hunger tax, is it?
Hunger death. No, Bihar is one of the poorest states of our country.
Sir.
But how is the stats? Are you aware of any hunger death happening in Bihar? People dying because of hunger?
Sir, as far as my understanding goes, the hunger deaths as such are not very much prevalent in Bihar. We have been able to lift a lot of people out of the poverty as per the Niti
It
Aayog
has
index.
nothing to do with poverty.
Sir, in the multidimensional index, some
Not
correlation
even
is
that.
there.
Hunger death. Now in Jharkhand, hunger death has happened. Not right now. But before Jharkhand, hunger death would happen, but not in Bihar. What is the reason?
So one major reason is that in Bihar, the agriculture that is practiced is subsistence form of agriculture. So whatever is produced, most of it is not for commercial purpose and people use it for their own consumption. So because of that also, one reason is there. Second is that, sir, 89% of the population is rural based and most of them are engaged in farming or farm related activity. And third, sir, there's a huge migrant population that goes out and they send remittances back to their families. So in that respect also, although the situation is poor, but hunger-related deaths, as far as I know, sir, are not very much prevalent.
So hunger deaths will happen when there is market economy and people do this. So you do not have good per capita income. Yes. I think you are less than half, yes, probably, around. So you do not have per capita income. Your people are not dependent on market for food grains because you have a fertile land. Right. So even if you have a little piece of land, you will grow something and that you can consume. What is digital arrest? I was hearing sometime in news something about digital arrest. Have you heard of the term digital arrest?
Yes, sir, I've heard of the term, sir, but my apologies, I'll have to read more into it. I do not recall it at the moment.
All right. So you have been doing Madhubani painting. Sir. When did you get into this hobby?
Sir, I particularly do Madhubani painting and that too the Bharni and Kachni form. I have been formally trained in Bharni form when I was back in class 5th, and the Kachni form is something that I learned from my mother because she also performs the same, sir. So quite from my childhood, I've been performing this painting, sir.
You've also been part of Intel Valstar Women Leader in Semiconductor Verification. What do you think are the qualities of a good leader, Annapurna?
So, according to me, a good leader must have first an integrity and commitment to their actions. So, second is efficiency in whatever they are doing. So, third is empathy and a connect with the people who they are leading. And lastly, sir, I believe that a good leader must also be a good team worker because they have to engage with a lot of people, sir.
So, which office under the Constitution of India was set by Ambedkar as the most important office under the Constitution of India?
Sir, if you allow, can I venture a guess, sir? I'm not exactly sure about
You
this.
tell me what you remember, you can be right or wrong, but don't use the word guess.
Okay, sir. Sir, is it the Controller and Auditor General, sir, the CAG?
That is correct. Why you are having a doubt on that?
Sir, since I have not revised it, sir, I had a doubt there. I'm sorry.
Okay. So now the CAG is not eligible for appointment. Can the CAG be made a governor of a state?
So the Constitution does not bar the CAG from becoming the governor, and if the CAG wants to become a governor, it won't be illegal per se.
Are you sure that is with respect to CAG? CAG cannot take up employment with the government after demitting his office.
Sir, I'll go back and read on this.
Annapurna, so it is said that 2024 is going to be an election. Globally, elections are going to be held in a lot of countries.
Indeed, sir.
And they're saying that AI may disrupt the electoral process. How it may happen?
Sir, AI has a lot of possibilities of disrupting the elections, both positively and negatively, sir. So more so negatively because It can engage in micro-targeting in the campaignings, as was seen in a lot of elections, including the Bangladesh elections as well. So second, it does not provide a level playing field to the political parties, because employment of AI tools in campaigning also incurs a lot of cost and human resource, which other independent personnel cannot or may not deploy. So thirdly, in terms of AI being able to do a social construction or creating deep fakes for that matter is also a cause of concern, because fake news could be increasingly utilized, and as was seen in the US elections and campaigns as well, with a engineered video or a phone call by President Biden. So these are the major issues with respect to AI. However, sir, it can also positively impact the elections. It can engage the voters in a better manner. ECI is utilizing AI in finding a risk profiling of areas where voter turnout was poor, and it is engaging with its sweep platform or e-vigil platform. So in that respect, it has positive connotations too, sir.
All right. And Purna, if Bihar has to grow, what would be the three inputs that you would give to the government of Bihar?
So the first input would be to engage in the people and the human resources of Bihar, sir, particularly the youth, because we have a 35% of demographic dividend, which is going to fare in our favor if we skill that youth. Secondly, sir, the women-led Jivikas and the SHG are a success model in Bihar, and we have to invest further in there to reap the benefits. So second, in the sectors which Bihar has a great potential in it, like textile sector, food processing institutes, and tourism industry, sir. So I would ask the government to pay special attention to niche tourism or to culinary tourism in aspects of engaging with our migrant community that has been textile dependent, like the Chanpatia model of Bihar as well. And so third would be
Which model did you talk about?
So the Chanpatia model of Champaran district, where IS Kundan Kumar had engaged in a skill-based mapping of the textile-related migrant population, and it is flourishing very well in that region, sir. And so third would be to engage in education and health, because in the social economic indicators, Bihar has not been faring as well, and that is also a reason why we have a lot of migration and outgoing migration. So we have to improve on that fronts, increase our capital investment, which is only to the amount of 30,000 crores. And with that respect, we could see private also coming in the state and investing, sir.
All right, Annapurna, that is all, your interview is over.
Thank you, sir.
How are you feeling? चलो एक दो चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना बस. When is your date?
So 4th.
Okay. So Annapurna, the only thing that you need to worry about, if at all, is, and knowing it should solve it, that in my opinion you have done a lot of due diligence and you're prepared to the best of your abilities. You know? Is this your first interview with the commission or the second interview?
So the second interview.
This is the second interview.
Yes, sir.
We should have scored well in the previous interview as well.
Yes, sir. So actually it did not go as planned, sir. It was a little random because of the... So you had only suggested me to remove... I had put Bihar BPSC service, the Labour Enforcement Service, and I had not joined it. So interview went in a very different direction as was planned, and Smita Nagaraj ma'am's board was there. So I have removed that, sir, and this time that's not even appearing on my DAF.
Okay. Now second thing is that even if the questions come, 5 questions I ask you which you don't know,
so
this is the challenge that will happen with well-prepared candidates. If you don't know the question, then you lose your cool. Never let that happen to you, bacha. Because I did get that feeling कि that does happen with a lot of students who are well prepared. कि 4 question नहीं आता है, now they are crestfallen, and the chairman will put you under pressure by saying something like, "I am done. You may ask." ठीक है? So you will have that feeling कि now the chairman is irritated, and then instead of focusing on the next person, you are continuously thinking कि how do I get back? है ना, कि लास्ट में कुछ बोल दो कि सर, है ना, ये सब नहीं करना है, इस चीज़ से बिल्कुल बचिएगा, ठीक है? And you have answered nearly every question quite well. Digital arrest कैसे मिस हुआ है?
सर डिजिटल अरेस्ट याद आ रहा था कि यूरोपियन यूनियन का सर कुछ था कि मैं कंफ्यूज हो गई।
नहीं वो सब कुछ नहीं, आजकल स्कैम हो रहा है, वीडियोस भी आ रहे हैं. So you will get a phone call that your brother was found doing some crime.
Yes sir, they kidnapping it, and then सर कुछ एक गेम भी चला हुआ है उस केस में, they are
नहीं 2-3 चीजें हैं, बहुत अलग अलग तरीके से. You will get कि भाई आपका brother has been arrested, he was harassing somebody or something, और फॉर एग्जांपल आपके नाम से सिम कार्ड इशू हो गया है, now he is a terrorist, तो आप कोलाबा पुलिस स्टेशन आ जाइए इन मुंबई. नाउ यू विल बी अफ्रेड कि आई एम सिटिंग इन पटना, हाउ कैन आई गो टू कोलाबा. तो ठीक है, आप स्काइप कर लीजिए, ये डाउनलोड कर लीजिए, आपका हमारे इंटरोगेशन होगा. सो देयर विल बी राउंड्स ऑफ इंटरोगेशन ऑन स्काइप. You are sorted, Anpurna. बहुत अच्छा करो. Any other question or anything you have?
Yes, sir. Sir, I had one question regarding, sir, I got a lot of input. That's why I wanted to meet you, sir, about prohibition law. So, sir, when we had discussed, sir, you had told me that do not favor any government or show that you're coming from a particular state, but do not show it that you're completely anti it. So, I started with it. It is a progressive move. However, sir, one is that policy only focus on the supply side of it and does not cater to the demand side of it, and that has led to implementation issues. So I was told that in a couple of mocks that you should completely say that no, it is a failed policy and we cannot continue with it. How do I go about with what?
You have asked a very appropriate question. You could say कि sir, when this policy was brought in, Bihar was going through a phase where there were just too many liquor shops. The joke was that Bihar, which is known for, बिहार में अगर जाओगे ना, तो you will suddenly see you will have, because Bihar is still under construction, you will have too many hardware stores, and you will also have every corner will have a stationery store.
Yes, sir.
You won't find it anywhere else in the whole country.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, बिहार में हर गली में आपको एक,
Yes, sir,
है ना, एक पुस्तक भंडार आपको हमेशा मिल जाएगा, है ना. तो what had happened is कि mushrooming of, because of the previous policies there was, and given Bihar's low per capita income poverty, it was a much needed step. And as happens with any policy, it must be re-evaluated. So sir, when it was brought in, it was a step in the right direction, and that is why there was domestic support for it.
Yes, women.
Of women support for it. And Bihar was going through a unique problem where there was a lot of drunkenness. There was the public health was also very bad. Today, sir, we can have a rethink on the policy, and so
regulated rather
yes. So now today, sir, we are in a better position. But yes, that time, है ना, वो एक सही चीज हुई थी. There was a mushrooming of liquor shops everywhere.
Okay. And sir, another question is that, sir, I find that in my own answers, not been pointed it out separately when I see my own videos, that in questions where I'm asked to be a DM or a DSP and then give out a solution. So sir, since I prepared a lot of things that I'll say this and say that, so when it starts getting bigger, I myself start getting squeamish that I have to finish it, and it ends abruptly. So is there any structure that I can maybe use, or any suggestion?
One thing that you can always do is not that you begin with saying, sir, there are 2 or 3 steps that I will take.
So, okay,
the minute 2 or 3, so that itself gives you you're setting the expectation to the examiner कि इसमें 2, 3, 4 बातें ये बच्ची करने वाली है. So 2 or 3 things that I'll have on my mind, which I will try to implement. First is this, second is this, third is this.
And sir, would you suggest to go with this, an idea that I had thought of, that I thought that I'll maybe go with data first, or that I'll see the data led, what is the situation in that area. So first is data, then second is the infrastructure. So in any case, I'll have to work on maybe education, some infra, health, some infra, then T is something technological oriented, because I come from that background, and the last one is anything which is specific to that problem, so maybe teachers ratio or personnel ratio or something.
See,
or will it become very
no, you're trying to have framework, that's not a bad, but what you need more is ना that एक function of management लिख लो, POCCC, ठीक है, Henry Fayol का है, POCCC. So whenever you're asked to solve a problem, now you think from this perspective: planning, P for planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, and controlling. Commanding means assigning task, coordinating, and controlling means seeing how it is going and pulling the string, monitoring. And on the basic, on that feedback, you make the changes to the plan. तो जब भी आपको ये करना रहे तो planning will automatically include infrastructure planning, financial planning, and most important, human resources planning. कि जब भी you are a DM, then you will go for data. Okay, you can go for the data. On this basis, you will make your decisions. But उसमें सबसे important है infrastructure and human capital ही सबसे important है. काम कौन करेगा? Because what will happen is you will call a whole meeting, 300 people will be there. If one person is not assigned, then there's a problem.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो एक ही पर है ना कि सर पहले तो I will, मतलब इसमें जो आपका सेवोत्तम मॉडल एक है, ठीक है, उसको पढ़ लेना और उसको ऐसे समझना. एक और सेवोत्तम मॉडल को पढ़ोगे तो ऐसे समझना कि तुम्हें एक डिपार्टमेंट मिला हुआ है, छोटा सा ऑफिस मिला हुआ है, जितना बड़ा ये ऑफिस है, एंड नाउ यू आर सपोज टू रन एन ऑफिस. तो एक आप हो और एक बड़ा बाबू है, और उसी में ऑफिस को रन करना है. हर बंदा जो अंदर आ रहा है ना, वो दोनों से पूछ रहा है कि फॉर्म यहाँ मिलेगा या नहीं। तो सेवोत्ता मॉडल बहुत पढ़ने के समय बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स लगेगा। यू आर नॉट इन द एथिक्स क्लास, यू आर नॉट देयर इन द एथिक्स क्लास।
No, sir.
हाँ, तो सेवोत्ता मॉडल में क्या रहेगा कि उसमें कहेगा कि डिफाइन द सर्विसेज। जैसे स्टेट, अगर कभी आप आईसीसी बैंक जाओगे तो पहले लिखा रहेगा कि यहाँ पर इंक्वायरी है, यहाँ पर कैश डिपॉजिट है, यहाँ पर ये है, ठीक है। तो कुछ कामों में वो दिमाग में रखना कि यू ऑलवेज पहले तो डिटरमाइन करो कि क्या क्या काम होना है। तो ये 6 काम होने हैं, उसके बाद कौन क्या काम करेगा ये असाइनमेंट करना है। अच्छा, बोर्ड जब भी क्वेश्चन पूछेगा तो ये वाली चीज़ कॉमन सेंस में ज़रूर टेस्ट करेगा, क्योंकि बहुत प्रोफाउंड प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं होते हैं, लेकिन अगर आपने सही से टास्क ब्रेक डाउन नहीं किया और असाइनमेंट अगर नहीं किया है सही से, तो फिर वो काम नहीं होता, बिकॉज एवरीबडी थिंक्स कि ये कोई और कर रहा है।
यस सर। ओके सर।
ठीक है, चलो माय बेस्ट विशेस टू यू बच्चा। ठीक है, कुछ होगा तो एक दिन मैंने पैसे फ़ोन पर बात कर लेना, तो नंबर है मेरा, ठीक है, एक बार शाम में बात कर लेना ऐसे, ठीक है बस।
थैंक यू सो मच।
चलो, माय बेस्ट विशेस।